Alright, let's go.
How this game... I'll probably take the tutorial if Justin's not looking again tomorrow.
We're doing this now?
No, I just mean like I'll take the tutorial while if we're not playing. Just to freaking get used to this.
Yes. And just so you know, never mind.
You did that, I thought.
I was gonna show you, and we can do it on harder mode too. But I don't think, I think that only unlocks if we get S rank.
Every 100 years, a new disease occurs. Yes, that is correct.
Alright, this time we're on an airplane, so we can move up, down, freely. Meaning you can say me easier. So it's still the same. Shift it, hold to reduce size, increase speed. Okay. So you got it?
No, I mean, people were making jokes about that. That, hey, it's 2020, where's the new plague? And then freaking this happens. All-Star Gaming, yo! What's up?
So this is our mini size when you, I think it's Y for you? Do you want to change that?
Why?
I'm just curious, because, like, would it be easier to, like, use the left trigger to sprint than just trying to...
Oh, is this sprint?
Yes.
Wait, that's, like, heck of...
Yeah.
But how, what would I change it to, do you think?
So...
Honestly, never will probably use Y.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So dash is Y, so let me... So what button do you think you'll use more?
I would use this for, like, shifting, or, yeah.
Sprinting?
Sprinting, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to hit it. Okay, do it. What? First enter or 0? Now hit? Alright.
So what did that change something, though?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
None of them were that one? Okay.
It would have switched it,
Okay.
and I don't see another Y.
Okay.
Oh, I guess. Wait, no, that's no. So nothing.
That's cool. Yeah, that sounds about right. All-Star Gaming.
You right?
Yep.
All right.
What?
The blueprints was for this.
Oh, okay. I was like, what?
You're like, whoa. All right, here we go. All
Do you
right.
want to stay little the whole time or no?
I mean, you can't. However, you can't parry.
Ah, my God, I'm terrible at this.
Yeah, I don't like this either.
Is
Watch
the
out.
Airplane oh, I was not.
Shoot. I didn't think she would come back that quickly. Yeah, I don't really care for the airplane.
What if it's the one that I'm good at? After this rough playthrough.
Wait, what?
I'm saying, like,
Oh, shit.
once I get it all figured out, and then this is like the one I actually shine at.
You know, that would be fine.
Oh.
Yeah, I almost... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. This does not bowl well. She does a little bit, then go away. Okay. This is not really well for both of us. Alright.
So wait, why do you not want to be small the whole time? Sorry, you were...
Because you can't shoot her like this. You do, like, it is easier to dodge stuff. However, shoot. I hit the wrong button. Oh, dang!
Yeah. It seems to go a lot faster.
Yeah, well, I think, so round bosses have 3 transformations. Flying have, like, 5 or 6.
Oh, I literally am running into every ha.
Don't worry. Don't worry. If that's the case, I'll hit you down. Get down. Save your life.
I'm so dumb. I get so, like, I watch her, but I don't, like, really pay attention to what I'm doing.
You know what? Here we go.
What the freak?
That was my supercharge.
Oh, when can I use that?
When your cards are fully maxed out, which is almost. And I think it's B. Hit B. And go for her. Just go for her.
Ah, I'm trying!
Okay. And the best part about that is, after you blow up, you are invincible for a little bit. Oh no, I don't like. Oh, down, down, down. You gotta go around. Okay.
Yeah, I realized like you said down, and then I was like, wait, but it's. And I was like, okay, I see what you're doing. Oh,
shoot! I can't save you.
okay.
I couldn't save you. There was no way I could save you.
Oh, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. I am the sharpest tool in the the shed. I suck at Hildeberg.
I think that's her name. But look at her now.
Gather. Oh, yep. Moon.
Yeah, she.
Gather round, ye people in mind
Oh shoot.
to listen well. Oh, somebody
shoot.
once told me the world is gonna own me. That's what they were doing. I got an epic tale to tell you from the land of Turnmorel. You're saying, guys.
Yes! Oh, I almost got hit.
Oh my god. Wow, look at that. You didn't actually die that many times.
That means you're improving. Maybe? No, just a B still. We'll never get
Once we get an A, I'll be happy.
Once we get an A, that's the end of the
GG.
playthrough. That's the end of the playthrough.
I just arrived in...
Yeah.